Then the points are give us oxygen and food. And what else? What's gonna happen? Once we are relevant. Let's go. Waking, shovel, and gardening fork, seeds, and water. First, we need to do digging. There. Now what else? Now we need shovel. Shovel. Oh no. We use this fork. We'll see. I can't do it. Use the rockies. Use this fork to move the rocks. This is a magazine. It's not a baseball. It's a fruit. I'm going to open this beautiful packet. Turn it open. Nothing else. This is tomato seeds. I'm going to show these models. I'm going to put this in this pit and fly this down. We're going to put this soil in. The model is going to grow any days, and I'm going to water this properly. Hey! Someone smooth it. I'm going to put this way smooth. I'm going to put water on it. Oopsies. I put a lot of water. I need to move it. Okay. Got it. And this. Wop, wop, wop. White. In the soil. And there's all the recording. Bye bye.